Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make rolls using Samosa sheets. First, ensure you have all your components ready. The Samosa sheets, your delicious filling, and a simple paste made from flour and water for sealing. It is crucial that your filling is completely cooked and cooled to prevent the sheets from becoming soggy. Begin by placing one Samosa sheet flat on a clean, dry surface, ready for. Now, let's master the fold. Take approximately 1 tablespoon of your prepared filling and place it near one corner of the Samosa sheet. Carefully fold that corner over the filling, creating a neat triangular shape. Continue this folding motion, maintaining the triangle, as you move along the length of the sheet. This technique ensures a compact and evenly distributed filling throughout your. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Carefully place the cleaned pepperoncini into the hot, sterilized jars, packing them as tightly as possible without crushing. Pour the hot brine over the peppers, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles, ensuring all peppers are fully submerged in the liquid. Finally, it is time to cook your perfectly crafted rolls. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for deep frying. Carefully place the rolls into the hot oil and fry them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture. This usually takes about 3 minutes per side. Once cooked, remove them, drain any excess oil, and serve your delicious rolls immediately with your preferred dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.